In this video, I'm going to show you how you can adjust role permissions for different user role groups. No matter whether you're creating a new user group here with this little plus button, or if you're just adjusting an existing group, the concepts are the same. Here you'll see some different toggles at different statuses, and I'll show you what these mean. When these are moved to the right and they're blue, that means the permission is enabled, and if it's to the left and in gray, it's disabled. These ones that are in the center and they're orange, it means that they've been set specifically per, in this case, per report. So some of these permissions are different, and in this way you can lock down the permissions for specific reports. You can limit the users that are able to view or edit them. You can just simply turn these all on or off to reset that. If you're not able to view, you won't be able to edit or delete, but once that's enabled, you can set these permissions if you'd like to edit or have delete permissions and be able to create new ones. The same applies for workflows. You can also make them specific per workflow if you'd like to lock some of them down. You can do that here. Same thing. Depending on what version of ItemPath you're on, you might see different permissions that you're able to turn on and off. But at this stage, if you have a user group that you'd like to lock down to not be able to access the rest of ItemPath, like your apps and your settings and such, we do have this permission here where you're able to set the user group to only be able to access the dashboard. Regardless of the other permissions you set, what that's going to do is once they try to access any other page within ItemPath that is not the dashboard, they'll be redirected back to the dashboard, and that's how that permission keeps that locked down. So that's one way you can keep user groups from accessing anything that you don't want to change. Keep in mind that we do log everything in ItemPath, so you're able to see if users are what they're accessing, what they're changing. We do log all of that activity, but of course, if you'd like to keep that limited for some users that are just there to view analytics and view the dashboard, you can do that. And that's how it works. You can also adjust the name of your role here, and once you've done that, you can save that, but the rest of your changes will be automatically saved as you make them.